Looking to add a touch of natural beauty and freshness to your home? Indoor vine plants are perfect for creating a lush, relaxing atmosphere with their trailing leaves and elegant growth. They bring life to shelves, walls, and hanging baskets while enhancing your decor. Let's explore the best indoor vine plants. Pothos Epipremnum aureum is a beautiful trailing vine that instantly adds greenery and life to indoor spaces. Its cascading stems and glossy, heart-shaped leaves create a lush, tropical look when placed in hanging baskets or on shelves. This adaptable plant grows well in normal room conditions and doesn't demand constant attention, making it perfect for beginners. Pothos can trail down gracefully or climb up a moss pole for a fuller display. With steady growth and vibrant foliage, it quickly transforms empty corners into fresh, lively spots. Because of its durability and charm, pothos remains a favorite indoor vine for stylish homes. Swiss cheese vine, Monstera adansonii, is a striking indoor vine admired for its unique leaves filled with natural holes, giving it a decorative Swiss cheese appearance. This tropical plant grows as a climbing or trailing vine, making it perfect for hanging baskets, shelves, or moss poles. It prefers bright, indirect light and moderate watering to keep the soil slightly moist. With proper care, the vines grow quickly and create a lush, cascading display. Its unusual foliage adds texture and visual interest to any room, making it a favorite choice for modern indoor plant decor and stylish green interiors. Heartleaf philodendron, Philodendron hedraceum, is a graceful indoor vine loved for its soft, heart-shaped leaves and elegant trailing growth. The slender stems cascade beautifully from hanging baskets, shelves, or wall planters, creating a calm and natural look indoors. This plant adapts easily to typical home environments and grows well in bright, indirect light, though it can also tolerate lower light conditions. With occasional watering and minimal care, it continues to produce fresh green leaves along its vines. Its simple beauty and easy nature make the heartleaf philodendron a classic choice for decorating living rooms, offices, and cozy indoor corners. Arrowhead vine, Syngonium podophyllum. With its distinctive arrow-shaped leaves, it brings a fresh and tropical feel to indoor spaces. This versatile plant begins as a compact houseplant but gradually develops trailing or climbing vines as it matures. The foliage often features beautiful shades of green, cream, or pink depending on the variety. Arrowhead vine grows well in bright, indirect light and enjoys lightly moist soil. Its graceful vines can cascade from hanging pots or climb a support for a fuller display. Because of its attractive foliage and adaptable nature, this plant is a popular choice for decorating homes and offices. Inch plant, Tradescantia zebrina. Known for its striking foliage, inch plant is a vibrant indoor vine that quickly brightens any space. The plant features attractive purple and silver-striped leaves that shimmer beautifully in natural light. Its trailing stems grow rapidly, making it ideal for hanging baskets, window planters, or decorative shelves. Inch plant prefers bright, indirect light to maintain its vivid colors and grows best in lightly moist soil. With its fast growth and cascading habit, it creates a lush and lively display indoors. This easy-to-grow vine is a popular choice for adding color and texture to modern home decor. Silver sateen pothos, Scindapsus pictus. Elegant and eye-catching, silver sateen pothos is a beautiful indoor vine known for its soft, heart-shaped leaves dusted with silvery patterns. The velvety foliage gives the plant a subtle shimmer, making it a stylish addition to shelves, hanging baskets, or plant stands. Its trailing vines create a graceful cascading effect that enhances modern interior decor. This plant prefers bright, indirect light and moderate watering to keep the soil slightly moist. With its slow to moderate growth and striking leaf texture, Silver Sateen pothos brings a sophisticated and refreshing green touch to indoor living spaces. Wax plant, Hoya carnosa, is a popular indoor vine admired for its glossy leaves and charming blooms that adds elegance to any room. The plant produces thick, waxy leaves along trailing stems, giving it a lush and decorative appearance. Under the right conditions, it also develops clusters of star-shaped, fragrant flowers that enhance its beauty. Wax plant grows well in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil with moderate watering. Its cascading vines look stunning in hanging baskets or climbing supports. With its attractive foliage and occasional blooms, this plant brings a touch of tropical charm indoors. English ivy, Hedera helix, is a classic and graceful indoor vine valued for its elegant trailing growth and attractive lobed leaves. The plant produces long, slender stems that cascade beautifully from hanging baskets or climb along supports and trellises. Its dense green foliage creates a fresh and natural look, making it a popular choice for decorating shelves, windows, and indoor walls. English ivy grows best in bright, indirect light and prefers evenly moist soil. With proper care, this hardy vine forms a lush, flowing display that adds charm and greenery to living rooms, offices, and indoor spaces. Creeping fig, Ficus pumila, is a charming, delicate yet fast-growing indoor vine known for its tiny, lush green leaves that form a dense, cascading display. This climbing plant naturally attaches itself to surfaces, making it perfect for trellises, walls, or decorative frames indoors. Its slender vines spread quickly, creating a soft curtain of greenery that adds texture and freshness to interior spaces. Creeping fig grows best in bright, indirect light and prefers evenly moist soil. With regular trimming, it can be shaped beautifully for stylish indoor decor. Its compact foliage and climbing habit make it a unique and attractive houseplant. Rosary vine, Ceropegia linearis. Unlike many leafy vines, it stands out for its delicate, thread-like stems adorned with small, bead-like leaves. The slender vines gracefully trail down from hanging pots, creating the look of a natural green necklace. Its unique foliage often features soft green tones with subtle patterns, adding a light and elegant touch to indoor spaces. This plant prefers bright, indirect light and well-draining soil, with watering only when the soil dries slightly. Because of its airy growth and unusual appearance, the rosary vine is a charming choice for modern indoor plant displays. Betel leaf plant, Piper betel. Popular in many tropical regions, betel leaf plant is a vigorous climbing vine known for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves. The plant grows along supports such as trellises, strings, or small poles, making it suitable for indoor containers with vertical support. Its bright green foliage creates a lush and refreshing look that enhances balconies, kitchens, or indoor gardens. Betel leaf prefers warm conditions, bright filtered light, and consistently moist soil. With regular care, the vine grows steadily and produces abundant leaves. Besides its ornamental value, the plant is also traditionally valued for its aromatic and culturally significant leaves.